What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into SUNLU's PLA in Magenta. Got this as part of the 4-pack with the CMYK for their SUNLU, but nice, easy to open package. Pretty chill when it comes to that. Love the fact that it has those nice little tabs and everything. Anyway, this is the Magenta. Comes with a refillable spool. But as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the filament dryer. And here we are with the benchy. So if you're new here, we start out by putting a benchy in the generic settings in the slicer. In this case, Bamboo Studio. And generic PLA. Should take just shy of an hour or right at an hour. And we'll get that done. Anyway, here are all the test prints that we have. So we always start out with the generic benchy that we just printed here on the left. Overall, I'd say pretty good. Maybe a couple of minor issues. Nothing super major. But we're going to see about trying to make that as perfect as we can. Next up, we printed a dimensional cube. This is 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed. It's printed in spiral vice mode. Everything looks fine. No real anything there. Next up, we have the temperature tower. And the temp tower for this one, the best one, tended to be 210 degrees. That spike had very little globbing and no real stringing on the film on the test there. Next up, we had the retraction test. Retraction test performed very well. No issues with that whatsoever. Next up, we had the max volumetric speed test. This one performed very well at 20 millimeters cubed per second. Overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, we had the overhang test. So the overhang test did fail right at about 60 degrees, I believe. Basically, sometimes happens. Just be sure to enable supports as you get towards that if you're looking at working with this filament. Anyway, we got those settings dialed in and we reprinted that benchy. Overall, I'd say pretty good. No real stringing or anything like that. Again, we were able to get some of the finer details better a little bit. So over at Amazon, you pick this up in the 4-pack that I got for less than $50. But overall, I couldn't find a single kilogram of this stuff. Anyway, overall, I'd say pretty good if you're looking at working with this filament. Nice rich magenta color. Then that's been SUNLU's PLA in Magenta. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here in the next full review. Thanks.